here we are again, and we're trying to fix this correlation table, because at the moment the problem here is you've got 9 point, but if you make it 10 point, then you start to get wraparound and other formatting problems. But how can we make it 10 point and still make it stick? Well, first of all, let's select the whole correlation table and let's move it up to 10 point and see what happens. Okay, so we've got some wraparound on some lines here. It's happening down here and here. There are different things we can do. We can make the columns wider, or we can change these stars into, we can change it into a super text like that, and then that will stop the wraparound. So there's two approaches we can do. But before we do the super text, let's just make sure that we don't have any wraparound in the independent variables here. No, we don't. Let's just select it all again and see what's going on, and we can see that the wraparound's happening here once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So if it only happened 4 times, I would err on, okay, let's just try and make the columns a little bit wider and see what happens. So all right, now that's pushing it down here again. Let's just push that along. Okay, that cancels out the first one. Let's go to the second one, which is down here on column 8, and let's just see what happens in column 8 if we wrap that around, we move that across. Okay, and then it's wrapping around in column 9, so then we've got to move column 9 across, make that a bit wider. Okay, and then 10, and we might have to do it for the rest of the columns here. So that's quicker than trying to do super text for all of the items. But we're not out of the woods yet, because when you have a negative estimate, correlation estimate, as we do around here, we've got another problem, and that is it's just one extra space you need to accommodate that. We've got 3 negatives here, and one's highly correlated item, so we can cancel that out, but really have to draw it out that width in order to get that onto one row. And then finally, let's do column 12 and move that out, and that does column 12. And then we've got 13 and 14 should be easy because it's not significant, we haven't got any extra stars. So let's just get 13 out there. There we go. So there we have it. There we have the new correlation table. It's not perfect, but it's a start towards making it more readable, because 9 point is very, very small for the typical research paper. There you have it. This is O'Connor helping you format tables. Catch you in the next section. Bye for now.